Good morning, folks. Today we will see the review of Puluz brand tempered glass protector for lens protector and screen protector for GoPro Hero 5 or Hero 6 or Hero 7. And I bought this on banggood.com. I hope they are worth it. Let's see what the contents are. I am opening it for the first time. Okay, so they have protected a microfiber cloth for cleaning and 2 set of wet and dry wipes, and what do you call it? Come on. Okay, so this is the tempered glass for the screen, and for the lens we have it here. Okay, let's start with the lens. Okay, we have the cloth and the lens. Sorry for the camera wobbling. Okay, so let's clean the lens and also use some wipes. First, as the number says, first let's use the wet wipes. I guess there are some few pieces of tissue cloth dipped in alcohol. Okay, they're a bit dry. Okay, keep it over there and take out the dry wipes. Make sure you do this in a place without lot of wind, so that the dust in the air will not stick onto the lens. Okay, so the lens looks clean. Okay, so what they say, peels off before application, peel off this mask after application. So I believe this is the side where you should stick it. Okay, sorry for the shaking again. Okay, I hope you could see it sticking slowly. Okay, again use the dry wipe, press it harder, remove any air bubbles if any. Okay, now done. Let's peel this off. And use the wet and dry wipes once just to make sure it's clean. Okay, looks good. Let's get back to the again same process. Use the microfiber cloth once, clean it out, and then a piece of wet wipe. I'm just reusing the same wipe. You could use the other set also. And again dry wipes. Oops. Make sure you don't touch it, because the oil or grease in your hands could leave a fingerprint. Okay, the screen looks clean. Let's get to this. I think the same place here. It says what sticker helps to remove the mask from the screen guard. Okay, so there is only one, there is no two as in the other one. Let's remove this guy out. Okay, so the protective mask comes off. Hold it firm. Okay, cool. It's done. Okay, let's see how it looks like. So you can see there's a bit of gap here. It's not perfect fit, and the thickness is slightly increased, not a lot. It's fine. Let's look at the front side. Okay, it's under the lens groove, so it's fine. Let's see how it looks. Let's power up. Let's see how the touch responsiveness. Okay, you have to press harder. The touch is not so responsive. Okay, let's try to take a photo. Okay, looks good. Hope you enjoyed my video. Like, comment and share. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.